Can you guess what it is?
Hey everybody. Hey NailTubers.
Welcome to episode 4 of the
Masked Finger.
Today I'll be working on McCart full coverage clear coffin nails, and for today our masked guess is something we've all been waiting for, our Amazon order. Our Amazon order arrived just in time by way of Prime to be our special guest on today's show. Are we excited or what? So, the objective here is just like the TV show. You have to figure out what nail product is in this Amazon box. What is it hiding? What are you?
What are you? What are you?
So first I'll explain the set as we get started. Today I'm using turquoise just to keep a variety of colors on the show. 3 of the nails will be a solid color, 1 will be sponged, and 1 will have a few stones. I like how the colors worked out in this set. This is an absolutely fun nail industry spin-off from the popular TV series of the Masked Singer. And to play along is pretty much the same. We give you clues throughout this video and you have to guess what nail product is under the masked finger. And while I'm polishing, here is your first clue.
I have to be picked up first in order to use me.
It sounds easy, but not really.
You got that right. While we are digging deep into our minds, let's put up hand clap emojis for a round of applause to Krista Duggins for guessing what was under the masked finger in last week's premiere. Great job, Krista. So guys, yes, you have to make it to the premieres, honey. So I had a little bit of an accident on this thumb where I bumped it after polishing. I'm going in on this nail with sponging, in no particular order, no particular rhyme or reason, and I do this until all the spaces are covered. I just dab it on. I was a little thrown and clumsy today, bumping into the stage sign, being out of frame. It's a bit offsetting for me to have long nails on my thumbs, but I was still having such a good time. What did you think of the last hint? Well, in order to help you, here is your second clue.
I always seem to get myself into sticky situations.
Oh, I know exactly what it is.
Uh-oh, we're in trouble. And while we are still trying to figure this out, let's put up the mailbox emoji for Amazon, y'all. Isn't it too cute? I already want to open it so bad. And here's the second coat. I hope to cover the bump, but if not, the show must go on. Which, by the way, there has been 3 other episodes. In case you haven't seen them, you'll be able to click the links at the end of this video outro or in the description box. The Masked Finger premieres every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Central Time. So be here for the premiere so you can have real-time virtual interactive fun. As I'm applying the second coat to all the nails, here is your third clue.
You won't be able to get me without this.
Oh, I figured it out.
I'm still so confused. Can I get a lifeline? Then I'll add a little shimmer to the sponge nail. If you've been enjoying this, remember to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the Nailification bell and become part of this NailTube family. Better yet, my nail sister, Love Chunks 71, Renee, always calls it Nailification Squad. That's right, hit that bell so that you are nailified whenever there's something new here. This top coat gives it that nice glossy finish. And a little fast drying glue will set a few stones in place. So, Amazon, do you have any words for the viewers?
This is so amazing. When I heard about it, I came quick, fast, and in a hurry so I can get your package to you on time.
Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Oh my gosh, I can't handle this.
Yeah, I'm having a heart attack. It's Nail Stamp. Nail Stamp, I have to say this was great. You did awesome, and we thank you for being a part of this. Everybody, the nail formerly known as the Amazon package that we have opened and is now the Nail Stamp. And here is your final look at them both together. This was so much fun. We'll see you at the next premiere.